So when I bought this trailer and I brought it home, my wife looked at me kind of funny, was like, "What are you going to do with this trailer?" I said, "Hey, I got a vision. I need to be able to haul materials. I need to be able to turn into a side hustle." She was like, "I don't see it." So now I'm still working on it. I'm adding more things to it. I took my ends off to do some fabrication on this end. I'm steady adding to it. I'm going to close the ends. Been working on it. I still got to do some painting. Still got to add some more boards, grab some more boards. I've been doing some fabrication to it. I've been keeping it up, because the goal is to turn it into a asset to utilize, to make money, to be able to kill several birds with one stone. But when I first started, she didn't see the vision. Now she sees the vision. Sometimes when you're doing things, even the closest people to you won't understand what you see, won't understand your vision, because it's your vision. And once you start working on it and you start showing them, hey, this is what I'm doing, and you bring it to life, then they'll get it. I see your vision. I like your vision. I follow your vision. HogOn.